contract from the station board, a high-risk target lurking near ruin 4. Charge my drive, check my load, full tank of hope and a hole full of woe. My buddies are riding turret side, dogs barking like he knows we won't survive. But I hit that condom spool just the same, 'cause credits don't come soft in this game. The comms light up, red marks my screen, turrets start to hum like a bad machine. Then the first shot hits, a silent boom, and I feel that pressure fill the room. I hear the rains in my Andromeda, laser storms pour down like Judgment Day. I hear the rains in my Andromeda, shields are cryin, but we hold the fray. We're just ghosting, still trying not to break, flying through hell for a bounty's sake. He's flying a cutlass, dark as sin, trying to slip out, spin and win. But I lay down missiles like a prayer, and my friends yelling he's failing can dare. No backup, just me and this beat up ship. One wrong move, we take the final dip. But she holds strong like she always does, and paints the sky in plasma buzz. Glass is cracking, sparks run free, but I stay locked on like destiny. With every shot that shakes the hull, it sounds like thunder in my skull. I hear the rains in my Andromeda, every hit storm I gotta ride. I hear the rains in my Andromeda, and the shields glow like a neon tide. One more volley, then he breaks apart, another payment for this heavy heart. No medbay dreams or noble calls, just cargo racks and system loss. They call me grim, they call me gray, but someone's gotta clear the way.